If you want to make a professional channel art or channel banner, then you're on the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a channel banner like we have on our YouTube channel. This one you can see, and if you visit our channel, then you will see this channel art, and I know it is looking very fantastic and professional. So that's why I am going to show you the full process to make a professional channel art like this one. So just keep watching the video, and also make sure to tap on that like button, because this video is going to be very epic. And also in this video we are going to use Canva to make a professional channel art like we have on our YouTube channel. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So now let's begin. So as here I'm on my computer screen, and let me show you my channel. This is my channel, and you can see the nav bar, you can see the channel banner or art, channel art, anything you can call it. You can also call channel banner or channel art. So I've created this channel banner with Canva, so you can also make same banner like this one. And in this video I'm going to show you how the full process to make a same beautiful banner like this one. So I'm making this video because many of you guys asked me that how you created your channel art. So that's why I'm making this video. Keep watching the video, because in this video I'm going to show you the full process to make a same banner like me. But before I begin, make sure to tap on that subscribe button, and also tap on the bell icon and tap on this all, so you'll get all of the notification, all of the recent videos on my channel. So make sure to do this thing. So now let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is that go to canva.com. Canva is a website where you can make thumbnails, you can make slides, presentation, and many people use this site to make YouTube thumbnails, and you can also make channel banner or channel art. So the first thing you need to do is that go to canva.com. The spelling is canva.com, canva.com. And first I'm going to turn this into full screen. Just press F11, and now we are on the full screen. So, and then just search over here YouTube channel art, YouTube channel art, and here it will show you this option, YouTube channel art. Just tap on that option, and it is loading, so just wait. And after that it will show you bunch of templates, so you can use these templates and make your channel art. So my template that I have used is this one. So this is the best template, and you can also use other templates that you like, but my favorite is this one. So I'm going to tap on it, and it will take me to this main page. So here on this page you can edit your channel art. So I'm gonna just delete this text from here, and also I'm going to delete this one. Let me delete it like this. Also this logo, just tap on it and tap on the delete button, or you can use the shortcut key del. And now I'm gonna upload my logo over here. So just tap on upload, and here you can upload your photo, but I have already uploaded my photo. So this is the logo. I'm gonna just tap on it, and here we have our logo on the screen. And then I'm gonna just make this logo a little bit small, so it will look more better. And I'm gonna put this logo in the middle like this. Done. And then I'm gonna just make a little bit down, put this a little bit down, and then here I'm gonna write my website name, www.mrmarkupb.ml, and then I'm gonna select this line you can see, and I'm gonna use arrow keys to send this a little bit up. I'm going to put this over here, and I'm going to also select this box and put the box over here. You can use arrow keys to adjust these things. I'm going to put this text in the middle of the box like this. I'm going to also put this line over here like this, and now it is looking very fantastic. You can see, and now you can use this banner on your channel. Let me show you how you can do this. I'm gonna just first I'm gonna download this banner. Just tap on the share button and tap on download, and then here choose PNG, because if you choose PNG, then it will give you more professional quality. And you can see over here suggested, so I also recommend you choose PNG and tap on the download button and just wait. It is processing, and here it will download your banner. So let me show you the banner. This is the banner that we have created in this video. So it is looking very fantastic, and the quality is also very good. So I'm going to just cancel this, and here I'm gonna turn off the full screen mode, and then I'm gonna go to a YouTube dashboard. Now let's see how you can add that channel banner on your channel. So dashboard, I'm gonna go to youtube.com/dashboard. If you search this thing, then it will take you to your channel dashboard. I mean your channel dashboard. So this is my first channel. Basically I don't use this channel right now, so I'm gonna just do the experiment on this channel. I mean I'm gonna add the banner on my channel. First let me show you the channel. This is my first channel, but right now I don't upload videos. The old banner is like this. It is not that much professional, but I'm gonna add that new banner, and you can search on the YouTube tech tag, and it will take you to that channel, and you can see the banner. So I'm gonna go to the dashboard, and here I'm gonna go to just scroll down, customization, tap on it, and then go to branding, and then here we have our banner image. So you can also call this channel banner or channel art. So to change this banner image, I'm gonna just tap on the change button, and then here select your image. So I have this banner image, and open, tap on open. Now good, this is looking, the preview is like this on all devices, and it will look like this on desktop, and it will look like this on TV. So it is looking very fantastic. I'm gonna tap on done, and done. My channel banner is uploaded. Tap on the publish button, and just wait, it is publishing. Then I'm going to go to my channel and refresh the page, and here we have our channel, but this is not in the middle. Like if you go to my channel, then you can see the text is in the middle. So you can also edit it from here. Just go to Canva and put this in the middle. I'm going to just put this a little bit down, so it will look more fantastic on the channel. I'm going to also put this box a little down. So you can do it by yourself, I know that. So just go make your channel. Just you need to do is that put this a little bit in the middle like this. I have I have put the text in the middle, because you can see this is the page and text is in the middle of the photo. So you also need to put the text in the middle of your banner, and done. Just you can do it by easily putting your text down or up. I know you can do it. Just put this a little bit down. I know it will look now fantastic. So let me show you how to do it. Let me try this by myself. So you don't need to do a lot of work. I'm gonna put this a little bit down like this, not too much, only a little. I'm gonna select this box, and also I'm gonna just put this over here, and this line over here. Now this is in the middle. I'm gonna just download it again. I'm saying that select the PNG format, so it will look more fantastic. It is downloading, so just wait. Done. The image is downloaded. I'm gonna go to the channel dashboard again, tap on the change button. First let me close this. I'm gonna tap on the change button. Then here I'm gonna select the new channel art that I have created in front of you guys. Now it is looking a little bit good, but still it is not in the middle. So you can fix this thing on your own. So I know that. So I'm not going to make this video a long, because we have already created it a little bit long. So I don't want to make it too much long. So I know you guys can do it. I'm gonna just, oh, what happened? Let me select it again, and done. Tap on done, and I'm gonna say publish. It is publishing. Just wait. Okay, done. Now if I go to my channel and refresh it, now let's see. Now it is still not in the middle, but I know you can fix this thing. Just you need to put these text in the middle of your banner, and done. Your banner will be ready. So make sure to create your banner, a professional banner. And that's it for this video. You go ahead, subscribe to Mr. MarkUp, and if you also want to subscribe to this channel, then you can also do it. So just go and subscribe, but it's on you, so just do it. And remember that, make sure to create a professional banner, because if you make a professional banner, then your channel will look more professional. So make sure to do it. And also if you want to see that how to make a professional thumbnail, then you can watch this video, make thumbnail like a pro. I'm gonna give you the link of this video down in the description. Just tap on the link and it will take you to this video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and make sure to watch this video, how to make a professional thumbnail with Canva. So that's it. See you soon. So I hope that you have enjoyed the full video, and thank you for watching this video till the end. And also make sure to tap on that subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so you don't miss the new videos on our YouTube channel. So that's it. I hope that you have understood the full process, and if you still have any kind of problem or any kind of question, then comment box is only for you guys. Type your question in the comment, and I will absolutely try to make a video. If you have a very big problem, then I'm gonna make a video on that problem. And if you have a small problem, then I'm going to reply your comment. So it depends on you what kind of problem you have. So that's it. Write your comment, and that's it for this video. See you soon. Bye bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.